If you're using Printify and you want more control, better automation, and faster publishing for your Shopify or Etsy stores, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect your Printify account to MyDesigns so that you can unlock their entire products catalog, and I'll show you exactly how your orders flow between the two of them. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Printify and create an account if you don't already have one. If you do, go ahead and log in and follow along with me. Now, I do also want to point out for this example, I'm going to show you how you can connect to Etsy, but I'll also point out during it how you can connect it to your Shopify as well. So once you get logged into Printify, you want to go to the stores. Now, if you don't have a store here, you can simply just click Add New Store. For this example, I'm going to select the MyDesigns demo store. Now, it says already have a sales channel, connect your store now. So like I said, for this example, I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy. If you want to connect Shopify, just simply select this and approve it on the Shopify end. Now, if you're already logged into your Etsy account, this will just take you straight there and you can approve the connection. If you don't have an Etsy account, you will need to create one first. But now it's that easy. It says you're connected. Let's make some sales. So I'm going to now jump over to MyDesigns now that we're connected to Etsy through Printify. And I'm going to show you how we can connect our Printify account to MyDesigns. If you don't have a MyDesigns account, you can create one for free. Once you get logged in, head over to this left panel of tools and we're going to go to settings. From here, we're going to navigate to partners. And then you'll see here at the top, there is a Connect Printify button. And once again, just make sure you're logged into your Printify account. When we click this and then click Connect again, it should automatically pop up our Printify store. And this is the page you're going to see. So you'll just see Connect to MyDesigns, tells you MyDesigns will essentially get access to your Printify orders and shops, etc. So we're just gonna click Allow. And that's how easy it is to then connect your MyDesigns to your Printify store. All right, so let's now say it's been a few days and we've received our first few orders. I want to show you what that will look like in your MyDesigns account as well as your Printify account. So first things first, on your MyDesigns dashboard, you can just navigate to orders here. And then you should see all of your orders appear in order that you received them, like this. This is one I have already sent through just to show you guys what it looks like. It tells you charges are handled via Printify. We can cancel the order here if we would like to, but this is what it will appear like if you have to approve the order. I do have manual order approval turned on for both my MyDesigns account and my Printify account. So this is one I have not approved yet, and I waited just so I could show this, but in the top right corner, you'll see this big blue button that says Approve Order. So all we have to do is simply click that, and then yes, approve order. Now I'll jump over to our Printify account now and show you what the orders look like there. All right, we're now over on our Printify account, and all we need to do is essentially the same thing. We're going to navigate to the orders tab here, click into that, and then if I scroll down a bit, you should see all of your orders in the order that they appeared right here as well. So I'll take a look at this first one we sent through. Actually, it looks like that was the second one we sent through, and we did it twice. But the first one we sent through is this sweatshirt here with the nurse design. And then the second one was the one I just showed you. It's just this t-shirt here that says always take the scenic route. So I do want to point out one last thing. When you receive an order through your Etsy shop or your Shopify store, you're going to receive two orders inside of your Printify account. One's going to appear under Printify orders and the other is going to come into other orders. You can just ignore the one that comes through other orders, as it's basically Printify's pulling your Etsy account twice. And the second order is going to come through here, but the one that matters and the one that needs to get approved will be in your Printify orders here. So these ones essentially won't even have a SKU associated with them, only this one here. So I wanted to point that out, but I hope everything in this video made sense. If you guys have any questions, please drop them below. Thanks for watching.